The Council for the Welfare of Children is urging stronger local action and better budget use for child-centered programs with new monitoring tools set for full implementation by 2027. Rod Lagusad has more.
The issue of bullying and mental health, which has recently been highlighted in reports, are among the many issues faced by the youth that local governments should focus on, according to the Council for the Welfare of Children or CWC. CWC Executive Director Undersecretary Angelo Tapales stressed that even if the numbers on violence against children are going down, the government will continue addressing it.
So, alam po natin ang ating mga local government units merong share sa NTA sa national tax allotment natin, and of course because of the Mandanas Garcia ruling, we anticipate that NTA share will increase. So we have to empower LGUs then to really encourage them to spend this money wisely.
Alongside this, it is important to monitor the funds are being allocated and spent on programs focused on the youth. This is through the Child Budget and Expenditures Tagging and Tracking or CBET, a tool that will be used by local governments to monitor the programs being implemented for children. He said the Child-Friendly Local Governance Audit or CFLGA, an annual audit by the DILG, in coordination with the CWC and DSWD, will complement CBET. Under the CFLGA, projects implemented by LGUs are monitored, while CBET is specifically focused on budget allocations.
Isa tong system na ikakascade natin sa mga LGUs na pilot na to sa maraming lugar kasama na ang Baguio City. Sa mga susunod pang panahon, sa susunod na taon, mas palalawakin natin yan with the intention to fully implement it by 2027.
Under this system, LGUs will list their programs and budgets allocated for children.
Aligned sa effort ng ating pamahalaan na gawing transparent ang budgeting system. Kumbaga, maraming programa na nilalaan ng national government man or local government units, but at the end of the day, we have to check if money are really being spent on these child-centered projects.
With this, the CWC, Department of Interior and Local Government, Department of Budget and Management, and Bureau of Local Government Finance under the Department of Finance signed a joint memorandum circular for the implementation of CVET. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.